introduce the former department head of our celebrator, Doc Seti. Naalala mo si Doc? Wala pa, Gertrucia? With his...
Okay na to. Ayan na si Doc. Of course, si Doc, Chief Gata. Pangalan na dyan, Point at Point BCBB South Chapter. Of course, we have here
Ang kumpani sa atong celebrators, Iboy and Jerry Clavasa. Jerry and... Yes, they're here. Welcome to the celebration. In 1951, and born on February 16, which is tomorrow, is his actual birthday. He is already at the age of 71 and 75. He was born on February 16 of 1955. Ladies and gentlemen, I am referring to this beautiful couple that we are celebrating tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, King and Diamond Queen, Sunny and Teta Sepe. Palakpakan naman. Go. 1, 2. Please clap your hands. Come on. 1, 2. Hands up, hands up. Hands up, everybody. 1, 2, 3, go. Ayan. Alive, 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 everybody. Come on. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin ang kasama. Together with the best friends in the midnight, please remain standing. Once again,